What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man back with another video, and today we're going to be doing the review and on feet over these clean Air Jordan 11 Low Concord Breds. We are supposed to get them June 20th, but with everything going on right now, we might see this release date getting pushed back to the right, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to your boy. Ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video that drops on the channel, and make sure you guys smash that like button. The goal for every video is to surpass 300 likes. It really helps the channel grow, and we are super close to that 30K, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend about the Vintage World so they can come join the Vintage Squad, man. You guys already know how we rock. If you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at the Vintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this quick review and that dope on feet over these Air Jordan 11 Low Concord Breds. All right, you guys already seen the box yesterday in the early unboxing. Check it out. You got the Jordan with the Jumpman in the middle in that red. The official colorway is white, university red, and black, and these retail for 175 bucks. These shoes did come from overseas, and if you guys do not know, when you get shoes from the UK, it does not have the retail sticker on there, man. So check it out. Air Jordan 11 Low, check it out, size 9. That's usually how I like to get my 11 lows, man. Inside the box, nothing too crazy, just regular black tissue paper. We'll go ahead and get outside the box and get into these sneakers. So if you guys did not check out yesterday's video, I pretty much did like a quick comparison with the Concords and the Breds. I'm gonna throw some B-roll in there so you guys can see the similarities between those two OG iconic sneakers, and they threw it in a low top and it just made the shoe just that much better, man. And I keep expressing how hyped this sneaker would be if it was in a hot top version. It would probably go down as one of the best Air Jordan 11s ever to release, man, but they gave it to us in a low top. Not a lot of people rock with the lows, but I feel like they're starting to grow on a lot of people, especially when you throw a Concord and a Bred into one sneaker. You get something like this, something beautiful like this, and it's a dope summertime sneaker. So yeah, pretty much you get a Concord upper, but instead of mesh on the top, you get all leather surrounding it. You guys will see that in the B-roll. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So all this up here is leather, man. You get no mesh. You get your regular Air Jordan 11 rope laces, and in between that third lacing, man, you get that Jordan Jumpman right there. Check it out, check it out. The leather quality, I must say, is pretty nice. You know, usually Jordan Brand hitting us with that cheap synthetic leather. This probably isn't real leather, but it is pretty nice, man. I'm really digging it. Even the leather on the tongue looks pretty tumbled, man. On the inside of the shoe, you get a red Jumpman, a regular cardboard shoe tree, and on the back, check it out, you get that 2-3 right there with the small Jumpman on the heel. The 2-3 on the back did not come embroidered, so it definitely will crack over time. So get your wears out of them right now. Rock your sneakers because they do not last a lifetime, man. You got an all-white midsole, man, leading down to that Bred bottom, man. Check it out. The Bred outsole, very, very fire, and I like that red translucent that we get on the Breds and these right here because you get a lot of wears out of them. They don't show that oxidation, that yellowing over time. They pretty much stay red the whole time you have the sneaker, man. I have the 2012 pair of Breds, which I'm gonna show you guys B-roll of, and the outsole is still immaculate. My 2018 Concords are already yellowing pretty bad. That's one of the reasons I really love the Breds over the Concords, just for that reason that it is not yellow. You got your carbon fiber right here, check it out. Pretty much the same carbon fiber plate you get on all your Air Jordan 11s. You get a black pod on the outsole right here and in the back of the heel. And I want to let you guys know, man, don't let people persuade what you cop. These are some dope sneakers, I promise you guys. I know people gonna knock them because they are a low, but when Jordan Brand does new things like this, give us a Concord and a Bred, you just gotta copy, you just gotta add to the collection, and you can get a lot of wear and a lot of dope fits out of this sneaker right here. So yeah, you guys let me know how you feel about these Air Jordan 11 Low Concord Breds. They're released June 20th. $175 I think is the retail price. I will link it down below in the description box because lately Jordan Brand been upping all the prices for ones, 11 lows, and a couple other sneakers that we are supposed to be getting in 2020. Next year, who knows? We might see like that regular Air Jordan be going for $200 retail price, which is gonna be a bummer, man. And I wanted to point out to go true to size in your Air Jordan 11 lows. They're pretty much the same as your highs, of course, but it is a low top. I know usually with my Air Jordan 1s, I go a half size down in my low tops, but with these right here, man, size 9 is pretty good to go. All right, I appreciate you guys for tuning into this quick review over the Air Jordan 11 Low Concord Breds. Not a lot to talk about with the sneaker. You get a Concord upper, a Bred bottom. You cannot go wrong with the sneaker. It was a definite cop for me to get in the collection. I cannot wait to put some dope outfits to go with these sneakers. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, man, make sure you subscribe right now. join the Vintage Squad, enjoy some of these dope early looks, these dope on feet, and clothing tips I'm gonna be dropping for you guys a couple times throughout the month. Smash that like button for your boy. The goal for every video is 300 likes. Every like counts, it's free. And head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this dope on feet over the Air Jordan 11 Low Concord Breds.